Hey, Max. Hey, buddy. Oh. How you guys doing? Oh, so soft. Oh, Jesus. Max, what are you doing to her? What are you doing to her? Get that right eye. Hey, let me see that ear. Oh, damn. That was another dog. He really hurts him. Like, the other dog poked out his right eye. And he bit her ear. And, like, pretty bad. It was bleeding really bad the other day. This is him. He'll jump up in a bit. Hey. Hey. I have to keep a ladder on the door from coming out. I mean, I really wish he could come out, but he keeps running away and keeps hurting them. So, plus, it's still kind of early as well, so I like to keep him here at night. Hey, Max, come on. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to make a random video. I haven't made one in a while. I felt like making one. Here are my dogs. Yeah.